Hey, what's up, guys? Matt here. Look, last week we dove deep into asset allocation. I laid out my 4-bucket strategy for you. Well, since then, my emails, my DMs, they've been blowing up with one common question. When am I ready to invest in private deals? Well, you see, that's the wrong question altogether. It's not a matter of when, it's a matter of when your allocation is ready. After investing for over 25 years in both public and private markets, I can tell you this: your capital is ready when these 3 things are true. First, make sure your liquidity, it's handled. Don't put money into a deal that you may need in the next 12 or 24 months. That money doesn't belong in a long-term private structure. Private deals require patience. And now, even if it's a good deal, make sure your liquidity is handled. If you're putting money into a deal that you may need the money back inside of a year or 2, it definitely does not belong in a long-term private structure. Private deals, they require patience. And now, if your liquidity is uncertain, even if it's a good deal, it's gonna feel stressful along the way. Second, you need to align your expectations. Private investing is not about daily pricing. There's no constant feedback loop, no ticker, no emotional reinforcement. Private markets will make you feel uncomfortable if you need to see price movement every day. You see, private capital rewards time and execution, not activity. Third, your behavior, it needs to be steady. If volatility in public markets makes you emotional, don't worry, it's not a character flaw. It just means that your allocation is going to need some work first. You see, private markets remove the volatility, but they do not remove the risk. They just shift how and when it shows up. So you see, capital's ready for private markets when it has a defined purpose or a job. As we know already, liquidity capital stays liquid. Income capital is for structuring cash flow. Growth capital is committed for the long term. And opportunistic capital is ready for us to pounce in moments of fear. When capital is placed correctly, private investing does not feel speculative. It feels strategic. In the deal room, we don't rush the process. Education comes first, allocation comes second, and opportunities come after that. You see, private deals are not for everybody at every stage, but for the right capital at the right time, they are one of the most powerful tools for building long-term wealth. You see, the question is not if you should invest in private deals. The question is whether your capital is positioned to do it intentionally.